Hello friends, welcome back to Saba's virtual classroom. So today's lesson is about mean, median, mode, range and outlier. So usually in grade 6, 7, you learn about mean, median, mode. Grade 7 or 8, you start learning about range, and 8, 9, you will start learning about outlier. Very easy, to be honest. This is one of my most favorite unit. Very easy to understand. So I guarantee you, like after watching this video, you'll just get it. Trust me. Okay, mean means the average of anything, average of the data, average of the number. How do you find the average? Mean is actually the average. So I'm gonna write mean is equals to average. And how do you do that? How to find the average? You add up all the numbers. To add up all the numbers, so you add all the numbers and divided by the amount of number you have, the total amount of number you have. Amount of numbers, I'm going to use a short form, numbers you have. Okay, so for example, I'm going to add all these numbers in my head. So 3 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 15, 20. So the total, the sum of the number, add all the numbers, so 20 divided by, how many numbers do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 numbers. I'm going to just divide it by the amount of numbers I have. So 20 divided by 5, that's going to give me 4. So the mean of this number is 4. Okay, so this is the mean. So I'm going to write it down somewhere. Let's write it down over here. So the mean of this is 4. Okay, now median. In order to find the median of any data, what you have to do is you have to rearrange your data from least to greatest. What you have to do for median, rearrange your data from least to greatest. I don't have space, so I'm just going to write the short form for greatest. So least to greatest means 2 comes first. We're going to rearrange it. 2, 3, then we have 5, 5, 5. Okay, we rearrange the data, and the middle number is your median. So 5 is the middle number. So this is your median. Simple. Look how easy it is. So the middle number is your median. So you can easily find the middle number when you have odd numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like odd set of data, right? But if you have even set of data, for example, if my data would be like this, 2, 3, I have 2 threes, for example. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you don't have any middle number, right? Because you can see you have 2 middle numbers this time. So what you do is when you have even number, so you get 2 middle number as your median. So no, what you have to do is you need to add these 2. You need to find the mean again. So you need to add these 2. So 3 plus 5 is 8 divided by 2, because you have 2 number divided by 2. Then the median for this will be, the median for this set of data will be 4. Because 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is going to give you 4. Okay, so whenever you have even numbers of data, then add the 2 middle numbers and divide it by 2, you get the answer. But if you have the odd number of data, then the middle number, the most middle number is your median. Simple. So in this data, the median is 5. Like according to this data given, you can see it's 2, but please, 2 is not the median because you need to rearrange. Do remember, rearrange your data from least to greatest. Okay, so I rearrange my data and the median is 5. Now, what is the mode? Mode is considered as the most repeated number. Okay, so mode is the most repeated number in the set of data. Repeated number. So which number repeated the most? So you can see 3, 5, 3 is 1, 5, 5, 5. So 5 is the one that's repeating. So most repeated number. So that means our mode is 5 in this data. Simple. So we have mean as 4, range is 5, and even mode is 5 as well. Okay. Now, what is the range? In order to find the range, you take the biggest number in the data and range, yes. So what is the biggest number in the data? 5. And take away the smallest number from the data. So the smallest number is 2. So 5 take away 2, our range is 3. Okay, so it's a subtraction. So the range is actually the subtraction from a bigger of a smaller number from a bigger number. Okay, so you take away a smaller number from the data from the bigger number. So 5 is the biggest number. I took away 2 and I got 3 as a range. Now, outlier. Outlier. So outlier is any number that outstands. For example, I don't have any outlier in this data. If I have a number, imagine if I have a number 90 in this data. Okay, 90 is considered as outlier because there's a huge difference between this set of data like 3, 5, 2, 5, 5, 5, or number close to, like, these numbers are within 10, right? But this number is way off. It's 90 is a very high number. So 90 is considered as an outlier. Okay, so any number that outstands in a data is your outlier. That's it. I'm not going to say anything further. I don't want to make my video longer. So any question, please feel free to ask me. But mean, you add up all the numbers divided by the amount of numbers you have. Median, rearrange your data and find the middle number. Mode is the most repeated number in the set of data. And range, you pick the biggest number and take away the smallest number from it, and that's how you find the range. All right, hope you find this video useful. Take care. Bye.